So let's walk through the process. So you start by getting your quotes. I'm going to use my demo account for this purpose. Here you can enter your store name. Let's try one of the stores. You press next. Here you can confirm all of your details, your contact details, name, email, phone number, for example. Here it's US number, of course, no number like that. Here you confirm your business address, okay? All this information, by the way, is going to be on the policy, insurance policy itself, so you need to make sure that it's correct. You confirm the address. Here you can connect your store. If you do that, we know exactly what you sell, how much of it you sell, and we can communicate this information to the carriers in the most accurate way that allows them to give you the best price. So they know exactly what you sell and they cover you for that and that alone. You don't pay for anything else. And you can also skip, right? So if you don't want to connect your store, you can skip. I recommend connecting, of course, but skip is an option. If you skip, you can continue to fill in some details. So do you sell as a private label? Yes or no? This will also impact the price. Private labels usually pay a bit more because they are considered the manufacturers of this item. When was your business established? How many years of experience do you have? Are you the only employee in the business? What is your estimated gross revenue? Let's say you give us consent to contact you via phone. I do, because if I want a representative to reach out to me, I should give the right phone and expect a phone call. Has your business been insured in the past? Let's say no. And do you sell any of these specifically dangerous items? Let's say no. You do submit. And if you're in a country that we work with, you get a quote right on the spot. Okay. If it's not, then a representative will reach out to you and give you a quote, or will try to find the right carrier for you that will give you a quote and then a policy.